The 6 things a woman says that make a man love her. Everyone says Zijiao has a great temper, but her boyfriend, Dalei, disagrees. 2 others, Zijiao is gentle and kind, always forgiving. One time, when a waitress accidentally spilled soup on her dress, the girl was scared to tears, but instead of getting upset, Zijiao comforted her with a smile. However, when it comes to Dalei, it's different. She becomes sensitive, easily upset, and her words sting like knives. She once got mad at him for missing Valentine's Day while on a business trip. "I've never been happy with you. You don't care about me. You forgot Valentine's Day. Will you forget me entirely in a few years?" In relationships, small arguments often lead to big problems. Studies show that it's not a lack of love, but constant criticism and blame that break couples apart. Psychologist George Tegman found that 60% of relationship conflicts are permanent. The key isn't to eliminate these differences, but to learn how to manage them. People handle conflict in different ways. Some withdraw or ignore problems, while others communicate or stay loyal. Those who work through their issues become closer, while others drift apart. Understanding your partner requires empathy. It's not just about listening to words, but observing their feelings and reactions. Research shows that most communication is nonverbal through tone and body language. Also, when things go wrong, don't rush to blame your partner. Happier couples attribute problems to external causes, while unhappy ones blame each other's personality. Recognizing this can help ease tension. Our attachment style, shaped by childhood, also influences our relationships. Some people are overly anxious, constantly seeking reassurance, while others avoid emotions and distance themselves when hurt. Understanding these patterns can help us deal with conflicts better. To argue less and love more, start by improving your self-awareness. Remember, the best relationships aren't without fights, but they are built on the ability to grow together through every conflict.